official kickoff of Benin Hackathon.
Discover how winners of the Benin AI Multimodal event by LabLab AI created groundbreaking applications for video interaction, tourism enhancement, and linguistic accessibility.
Our first place winner, Ben Interactive Video, lets users transcribe videos and interact in their preferred language, breaking language barriers and promoting inclusivity.
Second place winner, Benin 360, enhances tourism with video captioning, dubbing in local languages, and an interactive chatbot providing cultural insights.
Third place winner, Lingua Pix app offers translation and subtitling for videos in local Benin languages, promoting accessibility and cultural relevance.
Are you ready to join the ranks of top AI builders? Your journey begins with LabLab AI, where imagination and AI merge to solve real-world challenges.